Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Windowz Tech. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but can greatly enhance your Windows experience. We'll be covering 5 essential Windows settings that every user should change right now to optimize their system's performance, security, and overall usability. So, without further ado, let's get started. Setting 1. Privacy settings. First things first, let's talk about privacy. Head over to the Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting Settings. From there, navigate to the Privacy section. Here, you can review and adjust various privacy settings related to your camera, microphone, and app permissions. Take control of your data by customizing which apps have access to your personal information. Setting 2. Windows Update settings. Next up, it's essential to manage your Windows updates effectively. Open the Windows settings again and go to the Update and Securities section. Click on Windows Update and then select Advanced Options. From here, you can choose how updates are delivered, pause updates, and even schedule restarts to prevent inconvenient interruptions. Setting 3. Power and Sleep settings. Optimize your power and sleep settings for a better balance between performance and energy efficiency. Access these settings by heading back to the Windows settings and clicking on System. Then, select Power and Sleep. Adjust the time it takes for your device to go to sleep when not in use, as well as when your display turns off. These changes can help prolong your device's battery life and prevent unnecessary downtime. Setting 4. Startup apps. Is your PC taking forever to boot up? It might be due to the number of startup apps running in the background. To address this, type Task Manager into the Windows search bar, open it, and navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you can disable unnecessary apps from launching during startup, which can significantly speed up your boot times. Setting 5. Display and Sound settings. Last but not least, let's talk about display and sound settings. Go to the Windows settings, click on System, and then select Display. Adjust your display resolution and multiple display settings to match your preferences and monitor capabilities. Additionally, head to the Sound section to fine-tune audio output devices and sound enhancements for a richer listening experience. have it, folks, 5 Windows settings that can make a world of difference in how you use your computer. By taking control of your privacy, updates, power, startup apps, and display settings, you're well on your way to a smoother and more efficient computing experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.